Absolutely. So company at the moment is on quite a big dip when we look at from the start of the year to now, and it is Syrah Resources Limited, ticker code SYR. Following on from our conversation, obviously lots of demand around electric cars at the moment. It's a space we've been talking about for some time. I think everyone would understand why we're looking at the space, like we've been saying, long-term, solid investment. But I think at the moment, even short-term, based on the way this business has moved, lots of, potential upside there and a good opportunity now. We know, obviously, they're involved in that space. They don't do lithium particularly. They focus more on graphite. So they obviously do minerals and technology projects mainly. And their main projects are to do with natural graphite and also battery anode material as well. So a bit more specialist in that sense. I guess we compare them to an Alchem or a Liontown Resources. But still a very, very solid company and a very strong sector. We did see at the end of last year them strike a deal with Tesla. And this deal was to do with supplying natural graphite for 4 years at a fixed price. So pretty solid.
And they shot up something chronic on the back of that.
Yeah, so they did 32% in one day. Very, very solid, obviously, off the back of that announcement. But I think the positive was following on from that, they did another 25% in 2 weeks. So that was quite positive. As I said, we've seen them take a pretty steep dip at the start of this year. But they've still been given some very strong price targets by major institutions. Credit Suisse, $1.75 price target. That's about 26% higher than where they're trading at now. And if I quickly pull up the chart here, we'll have a look and you can see what I mean when I say they've taken a very strong dip from the end of January and through February. But I guess through 2021, still a pretty strong upward trending stock. And when we look at the pullback now, created a pretty strong level of consolidation there where it's at recently, using that 200-day exponential moving average as a very strong level of support. And it sort of started to move back towards the north just after that. It's posted consecutive bullish candles to end this week. It's jumped into the upper Donchian channel as of yesterday. And what I like about this business as well is the potential upside there. We can see the momentum starting to turn around, the MACD and the stochastic indicating the momentum is turning towards the north. And it's got about 6.5% just to hit the top Donchian. And then when we look at back at where it's trading in January, about 55%. So one of those businesses, as in a promising sector, one of those companies with a high beta. And if we do continue to see the market rally as it has the end of this week, I think something that could definitely shoot up in price.
Very nice. That's Syrah Resources, the graphite miner. Let's go.